right, here we are taking off. Little morning flight with the DJI Mavic 3. Saying hello to the wonderful world. Look at that. Alright. Love looking at that house. Looks amazing. Let's go check out the couch, shall we? There she is, all the way back there. So this is Stetson University. Really cool buildings, nice trees, lovely roof. And this thing is, it's a few blocks from my house, so you can see that we're not really getting a whole lot of on-the-screen stutter right now, which is really good. And it is recording everywhere, which is also cool. So we are going to go ahead and loop-de-loop back around. We'll just kind of slow it down. Slow it down. Alright, and we are gonna just kind of pan this right here and just take a look. Alright, I just started recording. Alright, so we are in flight right now. We have this cool view. We've got the horizon, we've got some water, we've got some stuff. So I'm going to stop recording right there. Alright, we're going to put that on pause, so it's going to in-flight hover for us. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say, hey, let me get some pano. So I'm going to get a little pano right here. So we've got a handful of options for the panoramic. We're going to go ahead and take them all and try them out. So first is the sphere. So let's go ahead and do that. See what that looks like for us, shall we? Love it. Alright, looks like it is patching it all back together now. So let's see what other options we have for our pano, and then we'll go ahead and check those out. So it's taken a bit of time to finish this before you can move on to activating the camera or doing something else. So I think this is a bit of a fail here, that it has to process in flight, that you really can't do this right. So we're going to take another pano option. This one's moving along a lot quicker, thank bejesus. So there we go. Hopefully the processing time isn't as long as the other one was as well, because that was just not fun. So this is one thing I definitely don't like, is that as you're using the panorama, it does take a while to process these photos in the air, in flight, and you're just kind of, you can fly, but you can't start recording again. So I think maybe a little improvement, some memory management is needed there, DJI. So I've spent more time waiting for image to process and the panorama to patch together than for the actual take. In some instances, not every case. That was everything. Oh wow, we just took a vertical panorama, so that's cool. So now I feel like we have all the things that we need. We're gonna go back in flight, and I'm gonna take a little dippy dip down to the golf course, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna lose transmission here, because on the Mini and the FPV I always lost transmission when I would come and dip down here, dipping, lost transmission, going back up. really quick. So still holds true. So probably just because of the way that the earth is there, with maybe some of those artificial golf course hills or whatever, it's preventing awesome reception. So here we are, we're also getting really bad reception again. I'm gonna go ahead and pause for a moment, wait for my image to come back, and we're just gonna come home. We're just gonna come home. When it gets like this and the image is all crazy and you don't know where your drone is, you come home. Come home. Come home. Okay, it found me. Whew, I got so scared. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. This thing lands like a champ every time. Like, it's so precise. I'm so impressed with it. I was landing on the dock yesterday with Duncan, no problem. Like, comment, subscribe. For the love of tech.